here hiking at Devil's Marbleyard in Natural Bridge, Virginia with my son. And today I really just wanted to get out here to clear my head, to just get some space in my head from all the negativity that I experience every day. I think I really love it here in Natural Bridge because you can just get lost in the natural scenery. Pretty much no matter where you go, almost. The view of the mountains is absolutely incredible. And I just absolutely love it up here. It's amazing, the scenery, the bridges, the trails here. Just the feeling when you're in Glasgow of the small town, you know, it's just, it's really incredible here.